Today's video will show you how to change your graduation date and using Docusign. So this form, the graduation date form, you just can Google it from San Jose State. We're all other majors. You can download that, and you want to edit it first. And so I've just put in, filled out some things, right? This is a good reason. You're going to take less classes so you can participate in an internship. Just short and sweet is best. But you want to fill out everything here before you do the next step. So then you're going to download it with your changes. Okay. Don't email it to me in that form. We want to use Docusign. So you can use this from your portal. We just start, and we want to send an envelope because more than one person's going to sign it. All right, I'm going to upload that PDF. All right, so most of that is filled out. So now I'm just going to put in the first person to sign it, and I'm going to pretend it's the department chair is a student. So that would be your name and contact information. I just have to put a name in there. I just picked the department chair. So now I'm going to add a recipient, and that's what you put my name. All right, if you're an EE student. All right, so that's now we just click next. We found form fields for grad change. Good. We want to keep that data so that we don't have to refill it. All right. So now you can see here's the PDF and all that information is filled out. But now this is the important part.
Okay.
You put your signature there and your date signed there. And then for me, you click my name, you put signature, date signed, and my full name. All right. And then you would send it. I'm not going to send it because the department chair will just wonder what the heck is going on. You can add texts and numbers and formulas and attachments and all of that, but let's just keep it simple. All right, just remember that this, the yellow one would be your name and information, and the blue one would be for me. That's it.